I guess this is the derivative with respect to x of sine of x squared. Sine is the outside, so you're going to say cosine of x squared. So cosine, derivative of sine, copy the inside and multiply by the derivative of x squared, which is 2x. That's it. So chain rule. So you have 2x cosine of x squared. That's usually how that's written. Next one, the derivative with respect to x of sine squared of x. It's a little bit different. Helps if you write it as a derivative with respect to x of sine of x quantity squared, then apply the chain rule. So 2 sine x, you got to multiply by the derivative of sine x, which is the inside, that's cosine x. Then there's identities that allows you to write this as sine of 2x. You know that because you can prove very easily they're equivalent. I'm not going to do that here, but it can be done quite easily. And then for the last one, just to show us the variety, the derivative with respect to x of sine of 2x. So what are you going to get? You're going to get the derivative of sine is cosine. Copy the inside unchanged. So cosine of 2x multiplied by the derivative of 2x, which is 2. By convention, the 2 goes out front. So we have 2 cosine of 2x. I like if it's helpful.